Welcome to the Google Workspace Developer News, where we share what's new to the Google Workspace platform. We have 7 topics to cover, so let's get started. Google Sheets now supports smart chips for link previews to third-party resources. Developers can create a Google Workspace add-on that pulls information from their app into Sheets. Partners like Asana, Jira, and Confluence, Canva, Lucid, Loom, Whimsical, and Soho projects have already expanded their smart chip integrations to Google Sheets. You can now call the Chat API to create announcement spaces and read and update the permission settings of a space. You can use the predefined permission settings field for the Spaces resource when creating a named space. When updating an existing namespace, you can use the permission settings field for the Spaces resource. Don't want to miss out on any of the Google Workspace platform updates? Then hit the subscribe button right below this video. The new widgets for card-based Google Chat app interfaces that were launched as a part of the developer preview program back in August of this year are now generally available. Chat API space and membership management with app authentication is now available for the members of the developer preview program. Chat apps previously have been able to create spaces and memberships on behalf of users. Now, a chat app can create spaces and memberships using its own application identity without needing to create these on behalf of a user. When creating custom emoji is turned on for a Google Workspace organization, you can now call the Chat API to manage custom emoji. Through the Chat API, you can programmatically create, delete, get, and list custom emoji. This feature is available through the Developer Preview program. When using the Google Meet Add-ons SDK, you can now retrieve the meetingCode property of an ongoing meeting. The meetingCode is a typable, unique 10-character string for a meeting space used within the meeting URI of a meeting space. This change is applicable in version 1.1.0 of the Meet Add-ons SDK. AppScript has rescheduled the shutdown date of the contact service for January 31st, 2025. The AppScript contact service was deprecated in December 2022. Instead, use the People API Advanced Service. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next month's news video.